Hey guys, Danny here. I hope you're all doing well. It's been a little while since I uploaded. I have been having some problems with my computer and I'm waiting for a new one to arrive, so I'm using a bit of a temporary setup. Hopefully the quality is what you've come to expect from my previous videos, so if there's any problems, sorry about that. Today I'm reviewing a pair of earbuds, which are the Earfun Free Pro 2. As always, please note these were sent to me for free for review, and if you'd like to pick them up, you can find a link down below. You'll definitely want to stick around for the full review, as these are a very good pair, bar a few minor problems which I will be discussing, so stick around for all the details. This product is offering most of the features you've come to expect in a product at this price range. However, they are performing at quite a high level for the price you're paying for this product. But first of all, let's talk about its design, which is very compact. As you can see, a little bit of a peculiar sort of elongated shape to the case, which I don't mind. I think it's pretty cool. The finish I'm not the biggest fan of. It kind of has a little bit of a more of a glossy finish rather than more leaning on the kind of matte side, which I do tend to not normally prefer, and it does have a little bit of a cheaper feel in the hand. That's just my opinion. I've seen a lot of people who really like the design of this product, but this is, as I say, just a personal opinion. I don't think it feels of the highest quality, but it looks pretty good, and I do like the stealthy overall design. However, one thing I did really like about the design is how compact the earbuds themselves are and just how lightweight they are. I think out of all the earbuds I've tested, these probably felt the lightest, and I noticed them the least when I was actually wearing them and using them for training. So I really liked the compact design. This is something that I often look for in earbuds. In the box, you also get your USB-C charging cable, which is quite short. You get 4 extra ear tips, so you should find a size that fits you just right. And you also get 3 ear hooks, which enable the earbuds to stay really snug in your ear. As I mentioned earlier, because of their really lightweight compact design, I found these really nice to wear during exercise. Because they're so lightweight and compact, coupled with the hook design that they have with the little tips that you can put on them, they felt very secure and very kind of out of the way. I didn't really notice them very much during exercise. One thing that is worth mentioning, however, is I did find the touch controls a little bit tricky at times. They didn't always seem to work properly, especially changing tracks. But then I noticed some other reviewers didn't seem to have this problem, so whether this is a problem with my specific model of phone or some kind of Bluetooth problem, I'm not sure, but it definitely was a little bit hit and miss for me. But on a plus note, the active noise cancellation was very good for the price that these earbuds are at, and worked great at helping me feel immersed in the music while blocking out a lot of the background noise. More importantly, how do these earbuds actually sound? Well, what I think will jump out at you straight away, which did for me as well, was the very pronounced bass. It's very heavy and punchy, but it's not at a low quality that it kind of drowns out and distorts the rest of the music, but it definitely is on the heavier side. So if this is something you're not a fan of, do bear that in mind, as it is pretty punchy. When it comes to the overall quality, I was very impressed with the performance on max volume. There was little to no distortion, which can often be a problem on cheaper earbuds. When it comes to the mids, the trebles, and the smaller details, the instruments in the music, it was a high quality for the price that these earbuds are being sold at. Is it the best I've heard? No, but it is up there, and I think you are getting a pretty good deal. For this small section of the review, I will be recording my voice from the earbuds built-in microphones. Overall, I think they have a pretty good quality. Above average, I would say, again, for this price point. That's something I always keep in mind, is the price point of the product that I'm reviewing. So I would say these are above average and perform pretty well. I'm recording via a Bluetooth connection to my PC, so there'll be no post-processing. I'll just record the audio from the microphone and put it straight into the video, just to give you an idea of what sort of quality you'll be able to expect. Of course, depending on what type of signal quality you have, if you'll be using these for phone calls. Let's go over the charging experience and battery life for this product. So you can charge them wirelessly, which is always a nice addition, and charge them up via the provided USB-C cable. They have an impressive quick charging feature, which will allow you to get 2 hours of playtime from 10 minutes of charging when they're in the case. And you also get roughly 6 hours of playback time before you need to charge the earbuds again. That will drop when you have noise cancellation turned on, probably by 10 to 15%, I would imagine, but you will get a pretty decent charging time and battery experience, but it's not up there. There are definitely products in a similar price range which will give you quite a big difference in battery life, but I have to say that is kind of expected for their very compact design, which I think is a reasonable trade-off for their nice snug fit that they provide. So what are my final thoughts on this product? Well, I would always recommend getting a second opinion. Always check out a couple of reviews before you decide to pull the trigger on a product and buy it. So definitely get a second opinion. But overall, I was quite impressed with it. There were a few small areas that I think need improving, and competitors are doing a little bit better, but it's incredibly difficult with how saturated the market is to keep up with all the features and price points of all the different earbuds that are out there, because there's simply so many. I'm constantly getting messaged asking me what I think about an earbud that I've never even heard of before, so it's just very difficult to keep on top of it, or at least I find. Let me know what you think down below. So the issues with the touch controls were a little bit annoying, mainly the fact that you can't go back to a previous track, which is very strange for them not to include that feature. There are also some competitors such as Soundcore, which offer a dedicated app for their products, which allow you to customize the touch controls and a whole bunch of other settings, and this is something I would love to see in Earfun's products also. As always, please get a second opinion before picking up any products. Watch multiple reviews just so you get a balanced idea before you decide to spend your hard-earned cash. As always, if you'd like to pick up this product, you can use the links down below. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing for more videos like this one. And of course, I will see you in the next one.